Hello?
Shaisha,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Hey, sitting in my room,
That
looking at some
sounds like a
YouTube
lot of
videos.
fun. YouTube videos about
It
what?
is. It's about some people on their street bikes getting chased by the police, outrunning the police.
That sounds like a horrible waste of your energy.
Hey, I want a street bike and I want a four-wheeler.
Wichita, Kansas,
Yes.
closed for rent by owner sign in the window. Couldn't be easier. Look at that. Look at this place. Look at that brick. Is that real brick?
Yeah. What do you
So
mean?
why is it closed?
I don't know. Well,
Because it wasn't
Google-
making money.
Oh, yeah.
Because
that's
it wasn't
true.
making money.
That's true.
Because
They weren't running
it
it right.
wasn't making
Making money.
money. Hey, Shaisha, why do you think this place is closed?
Because it wasn't making money.
Yeah.
It wasn't running it right.
Those dryers look like they're from my grandma's basement.
Yeah, those blue dryers, they look old.
They got Christmas decorations up.
Yeah.
So the fun we have with our notes here, closed location. This is the Christmas store. Landlord is Ginny. How do you know? Where did you get her number? From the
I got
sign.
the number. Yeah, from the sign. Then I Googled the number and the name came up.
Okay. Well, this should be a slam dunk. We're after infrastructure.
That's
It's here. She's looking to lease. Is this the only? This is our first telephone call, isn't it?
It is.
Oh my
Our
goodness.
first scouting telephone call.
Oh my God. Oh Lord. Look at all that graffiti on that place. She should be jumping. She should be jumping at the chance.
That's what I'm saying. Get somebody in there.
Don't get excited.
People can stop.
Don't fall in love with any store. All right, I'm not going to beat you up too much here on the note-taking stuff, but make sure that you follow all the little parameters of the who's and what's. Let's call Ginny. You can mute your phone. Be prepared to take good notes. Write down absolutely everything she says while she's saying it. The note-taking is important. Trust me, in 10 minutes you'll forget.
Hello?
Ginny?
Yes.
Hi, my name's Danny. I'm calling on some commercial space here in Wichita. I am interested in talking lease terms, if it all makes sense, for your little laundromat spot here on High.
That is under contract, unfortunately.
That's not unfortunate. Good for you. Jenny, I've been in the laundry business for 15 years. My partner and I are always looking for locations with infrastructure. I'm not a broker. I don't flip or sell my laundries. So I can't help but make just a quick attempt to help you here. If your new operator moving in doesn't immediately spend close to $300,000 on washers and dryers, obviously they will be lost. And that's your business, you know.
Sure.
You own the building. It's your building?
Yes, there's a couple partners. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
And I assume your new potential long-term lease is long-term. They're coming in for a very long time.
They actually are purchasing it.
They're buying the building. Okay.
They are. Yes.
Very good.
So.
Do you know if they're looking to operate the laundromat as it is, or do something else with it?
I think they're probably going to upgrade it.
Yeah. No. I of course.
Yeah.
You can't run it with that equipment from the 70s, but they are looking to run a laundromat.
Yes.
Okay. And again, not prying, but the reason I ask is if they're looking to put a tenant in place, keep my number, and when your deal is done, let's exchange numbers, and I'll talk to them about operating it myself.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll mention it to them.
Yeah. Right now we are.
And I'll save your number.
Right now we're not buying buildings. We're looking to sign leases and then spend the money on equipment rather than buying buildings. I appreciate that.
Sure.
Ginny, I'll email you so you have everything. What's your email address? I got it. Ginny, I'm Danny D'Angelo. My partner is Ms. Lewis. I appreciate your time. Let us know if anything changes.
Okay.
Thanks.
Sounds great. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye.
So, what did you hear on your first call for your first potential laundromat takeover?
I hear that they're selling the building. They're going to get some new tenants in the building. Hopefully, they'll look for somebody that wants to lease the building.
Don't
So I
know.
still see some potential.
According to her, I don't just say, oh, it's under contract. Okay, thank you, bye. No, they've sold the building and we don't know. So number one, what you need to do is scout more stores. We talked about this. I told you, I never know what's going to happen in these locations, neither do you. When you drive by and you see a sign that says for sale or lease, well, they mean the whole building, okay? And now they've made a decision. The deal could fall through, or they could sell it, the deal goes through, and then that new buyer, the new landlord, may or may not want to run the laundromat. So, and I don't expect Jenny to give me their information now. She shouldn't until the deal is done. So I'll send her an email. I will CC you in that email, and your job, scout more stores and set your calendar for 2 months, and in 2 months we'll call Jenny back and make sure everything went.
Okay.
All right? Stop YouTubing on endless stuff that you want and work on YouTubing business.
YouTubing business, okay.
Talk to you soon.
All right, bye-bye. Thanks.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.